All right, so let's talk about the setup, okay? So I am doing individual twist in the front and crochet in the back. So I purposely set aside 28 passion twists to ensure I had enough for the front of my hair, okay? And then I'm dedicating the rest of the twist to the back of my hair. So this will give me more styling options and it'll make my whole head appear as though I've done individuals all over. So let's talk about the back. Now the key, and I just learned this, you guys, and it's genius. The key is to part your hair in zigzag parts, okay? This prevents much of your scalp from being exposed and it gives the illusion that the hair is fuller than what it really is. So if the hair doesn't fall right, you can definitely depend on this parting method to hide your imperfections. And if you part the zigzag smaller than what I did, you'll really get a bomb turnout. So the hair that I'm using is from Tress. This is their 22-inch Passion Twist Braid in the color number 1. Now I use 4 packs to cover my entire head, 3 packs in the back and 1 pack in the front. So this hair is made of Toyokalon fiber, so it's like super soft and super lightweight. And each pack comes with 2 bundles of 12 crochet twists. So I have a total of 96 twists in my head. And let me give you a close-up look of the actual twist. As you can see, it has a loop on top so that you can crochet it through the hair, but it is so super soft and bouncy, and I just love the curl pattern of these twists. So we're gonna start in the very back of my hair, and you guys know the crochet method, but I'm gonna go over it with you. I'm just basically attaching it to my crochet hook, closing the clasp, and then pulling the hair through, simply pulling the leg of the twist through the loop, and then securing it. So it's really simple, you guys. And I am gonna be doing this up the braids, and you will start to see me kind of space these out because, you know, we don't want it too thick. So it's best to start off by spacing out your crochet twist, and then if you need to go back and add more, you can do that. You know, if you start off adding them really close, it'll get too thick, then you'll have to remove some. It's just a hassle. So it's best to kind of like, you know, get the bottom part done, you know, and secure. Take a couple of twists and kind of twist them close together, but as you go up, kind of space them out so that it won't be too thick. And as you can see here, this is where I'm going to start spacing out my twists just to ensure that that this hair is not too thick and heavy on my head, you know? So it's really simple. I love how soft this hair is. I mean, I am just loving the whole passion twist trend right now, and I'm so glad that I was able to try out this hair because it's like there's nothing on my head. Like it's not heavy at all. And so yeah, so you see me here, and now I'm going like one finger, you know, using one finger in between the twist, just to make sure that, first of all, I'm going to have enough twists by the end because I only have 4 packs of hair, and that should be enough to cover one head. So I'm just going to ensure that, you know, I have enough hair. So I'm just going to start, you know, separating them, spacing them out and whatnot. So you guys can watch and see how I do this. All right, you guys, so I've added just about all of the crochet twists to my head. And now I'm going to start on the front part, which are going to be the individuals. So I'm going to just take one of the twists that I have rubber band, and we're going to be doing the rubber band method. It's just so much easier. And for this one, I'm going to show you guys how I did it by totally unraveling the passion twist and doing it that way. So I unraveled the full passion twist. I'm still doing the crochet method, so I'm going to take my hook and pull it through and secure it, and I'm going to pull my hair through as well. So I'm going to pull the twist hair and my hair through, and I'm going to secure it, and then we're just going to do a 2-strand twist. So it's going to be really simple. I'm going to add some gel. If you guys want to know what type of gel I use, definitely check the description box below. It will have it listed. But I'm going to add some gel to my hair, and then I'm just going to split my hair in two and start twisting. And this is super simple, you guys. If you know how to twist, you can definitely do this style. And then I'm going to show you on the next one how I do it without totally unraveling the twist, which is going to make the process a whole lot faster. Both ways work. I just wanted to see which way looked the best, so I was going to give you guys two options. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to braid down all the way to the ends, and like I said, I used gel just to make sure my hair blended in with this hair, and my hair blended in so well, you guys. I was so shocked, and you guys know I have a little color, but you can barely tell. So I'm going to do this again, okay, but without unraveling the twist. So I'm just going to simply crochet it through, and then take my hair in the twist through the loop, okay, and secure it. And after I secure it, I'm going to basically unravel my twist, my hair, okay, add some gel to it, add a little water and gel, and then I'm going to unravel the twist, and I'm going to add one leg of my hair to one leg of the twist hair and the other leg to the other twist leg. And I hope that was a lot. And then I'm just going to begin to 2-strand twist down until I meet the hair is going to continue to unravel as I twist down. So until I get to the end of my hair, that's where I'm going to stop. But I'm going to keep twisting until I get a little bit below my hair, where my hair ends. And as you can see, I'm adding more gel just to make sure everything blends in. And as you can see, my hair has now stopped and the twist is still intact. I'm just going to kind of twirl it around my finger just to blend that part, and then let it go. And it still gives you the passion twist look, and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna do that again on the remaining sections of my hair so you guys can watch and see how I do this. This is what the hair looks like when it's done. So I only used 4 packs of hair, you guys, and I had to take it a step further, of course, you know, and add all of my gold accessories to it. And I received so many compliments on this hair just over the weekend. So just to reiterate, this hair is from Tress, and it's probably the softest hair out there because it's made of Toyokalon fiber. I don't know if you guys know much about Toyokalon fiber, but aside from the hair being super soft, it also doesn't tangle frequently, and it can be reset in hot water. So if you want to know more about the product, check out their Facebook page and their website, both of which I will leave down below in the description box. You guys comment below and let me know what you think of this style, and don't forget to check the description box for a list of the products that I used in this video. All right, guys, that's about it. I'll talk to you guys down below in the comment section. Bye.